In fairness,
So you will receive a cash of 7,500 pesos.
ay si ano lang pala, Kagawad Honey Perez.
Sama na po yung buong council.
SK, picture taking na.
Third runner-up will receive a sash, trophy, a crown, and also a 7,500 pesos.
Before anything else, we would like to call in Kagawad Dudeng Lim. Please come on stage. Asa si Kagawad Lim? Halika na dito, huwag ka nang mahiya, Kagawad. Akyat na. Andyan daw, dumating na. Nakita ko siya dito. Goes to candidate number 18, Miss Fia Garcia.
Candidate number 18, thank you. We have 3 more ladies. Sash, trophy, a crown, plus 20,000 pesos.
7.5 lang. Mag-abono naman tayo. 7.5 lang.
Second runner-up po.
7.5 lang.
Second runner-up. Yan. Our second runner-up will receive a sash, trophy, a crown, plus 20,000 pesos.
O, diba? Para na rin nag-title. Di na masama, diba?
Diba?
Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 14, Miss Miel Marie Garcia. So that leaves Karen and Ye.
One of them will be our Queen of Recto 2024. Okay.
So before anything else,
Ayan, maghawak-hawak na kayo ng kamay.
hinihingi ng madlang people. Magbeso-beso daw si Karen at saka si Ye. O diba?
Yes.
Ganyan lang talaga ang contest. Minsan title, minsan di nagkakaunawaan, pero magkaibigan pa din. Okay, ang tatawagin natin ay ang first runner-up.
First runner-up naman yan.
So, ang hindi natin tatawagin is Queen of Recto
2024.
Okay. Ang tatawagin natin ay ang first runner-up. Okay. So, bibilangin muna ang pera.
Ang first runner-up po natin ay makakatanggap ng 30,000 pesos plus trophy, sash, and a crown. At ang ating Queen of Recto 2024 Season 3 naman ay makatatanggap ng 50,000 pesos plus trophy, sash, and a crown.
Okay. Ulitin natin, ang tatawagin natin ay first
Runner-up.
Ang ating first runner-up is candidate number 10. And his Queen of Recto is candidate number
17. Congratulations, ladies!
Congratulations to both of you. Ay, ano ba yan?
Baliktad. Ayan, congratulations! Wow! Alright, congratulations. And our Queen of Recto 2024 is candidate number 17. Congratulations!
is a well-deserved win, taray, mga dating fans. So, maganda naman ang sagot, deserve niya ang kanyang title. And of course, I also would like to congratulate yung ating first runner-up. Siyempre, Yeng Labitor, it was a tight fight, no?
Yes, grabe.
Hindi ang score, kaya
sobra.
Bongga din.
Ready?
1, 2, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,000 pesos!
And then, congratulations, Miss Karen Monticelio. At napakaganda rin na nagpasa ng corona ang ating reigning queen, of course, na si Miss Patricia Payu.